It's winter in Baltimore, Missouri, and Barbara Pridgeon, 43, is driving her car through the chilly streets. Feeling the cold seep in, she decides to turn on the heater for some warmth. But instead of comfort, a horrible smell fills the car. At first, she tries to ignore it, but the odor only gets worse and worse. Soon, it's so overwhelming that she can't stand it anymore. Desperate to get rid of the terrible smell, Barbara drives straight to the nearest repair shop. "What's the matter with my car?" she asked the mechanic, covering her nose. "Can you fix the smell?" The mechanic nods and begins to take a look at the engine and the heating system. He inspects carefully, but suddenly his expression changes. Barbara watches him curiously, but when he pulls out the problem, a big, fat, lifeless python, she loses it and lets out a scream. The mystery of unbearable odor is solved, but it's a day Barbara will never forget.